Welcome back to the Data Analyst. Today we are breaking down stratified random sampling, an essential technique for accurate data collection. If you are struggling with sampling methods, stick around because I'll explain this in the easiest way possible with an example and how to calculate the sample size. Let's dive in. Imagine you are conducting a survey in a school and you want a fair representation of all students, boys and girls, or different grade levels. Instead of picking random students, you divide them into groups called strata and then randomly select participants from each group. First, divide the population into strata based on shared characteristics like gender, age, or income. Then, randomly select participants from each group. This ensures that each subgroup is represented properly, avoiding bias. Let's say we are surveying 1,000 students in a school and we want a sample of 100. The school has 600 boys and 400 girls. Instead of selecting 100 students randomly, we take a proportional sample from each group. Let's calculate it. Stratum sample size equals stratum population divided by total population, then multiplied by total sample size. Let's calculate the stratum sample size for boys. 600 divided by 1000 then multiplied by 100 equals 60. And for the girls, 400 divided by 1000 and then multiplied by 100 equals 40. So from our total sample of 100, we pick 60 boys and 40 girls randomly. The next thing is when to use stratified random sampling. We can use stratified random sampling if your population has clear groups or if each group needs fair representation or when random sampling might not reflect diversity. That's stratified random sampling made simple. Drop a comment if you have a question. See you in the next one.